to learn in today's video. I'm going to show you guys a secret method how you can outsource content creation, as I said, never seen before. I'm going to show you guys example of the channel that are doing this, and he has made over $1 million in less than 2 years. Also, I'm going to show you guys how you can quadruple your income with this channel and how you can make even more money. So make sure to watch this video till end. And also guys, an example, you can see this video. I really suggest you guys to type this name and watch this video so you can see all they did is they have this text in and images. So I'm going to show you guys how you can create same video and how you can get free content that you don't even need to write or think of for free, and how you can watch this and create these videos in less than 10 minutes. So here you can see this video has over 11 million views. So if we calculate that, 11 million views, and he gets probably $5 for every 1,000 views, because this is health niche. So health niche actually pays much higher rates. So let's say $5 per 1,000 views. This video has made $57,235, and he probably made this video in less than 10 minutes. So if you go and check out his channel, if we go on about, you can see in last 3 years, this channel has got 310 million views. So if we calculate that by 5, we can see that this channel has made $1.5 million on this YouTube channel. So this is really crazy because you can also grow your business. Here you can see this channel has almost 3 million subscribers, and you can grow your business this way. So I'm going to show you guys again how you can get your content, how you can create your videos. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up for Content Samurai. So Content Samurai is free for 7 days trial. You can try it out for free. I'm going to give you guys the link for 7 days trial. The link will be in the description. So when you click that link, you can get 7 days trial for Content Samurai. So I'm going to explain you guys what are you going to do with this software. So you have probably saw this software on my channel, but this method is going to be something different. So let's click here to start using the app. So here you can see I'm using for you guys free version. So you can see I have 6 days and 22 hours left to use Content Samurai for free. So once this reaches out, you need to actually pay for Content Samurai. But if you want to make some money on YouTube, you need to spend some money up front for your business if you're really serious about this. But if you're not serious, if you want to check that out, you can check that out, 7 days trial, and you can see if you can make some money. So let's click on create new video. So you can go and choose different type of videos. You can choose different type of text. So I'm going to choose, let's say, this one right here. So you can go and check that out, how your text is going to look like. So we're going to use this template. Now we can go and into your script. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get free script actually for free. So if you go on Google, I have typed in PLR, articles for natural remedy. So you can see there are tons of different websites that offer PLR articles. So what are PLR? This is something that you can go and reuse free content for free, that someone else wrote for you. So I have found this website. Also the link will be in the description. You can register for free and you can see what actually PLR means, private label. So that means that you can go and sell, edit, or even claim the product inside as your own. So you can go and take articles from this website and you can reuse them. So I have found this right here content that I can go and reuse on my YouTube channel. So you can see 10 natural remedies PLR articles. So you can go and you can sell these articles, you can claim it as your own, you can do whatever you want to do. So you can go and click on download, and you can see we have now downloaded these PLR articles, and we're going to see that we have two different folders. So let's see this one. You can see articles. Let's click on this first one. So you can see we have free text that we can use for free. So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do this. So we're going to copy all of this text. We're going to come back on Content Samurai, and we're going to paste our text. So here you can see now Content Samurai is going to create us free video. So let's click on create scenes for your video. It is going to take a few minutes. You can't really expect to make this Content Samurai work in less than a few seconds. So here you can see we have now created free video. So here you can see it looks great there, and also you don't need to worry about getting copyright strike, because the whole point of Content Samurai is creating these free videos, free type of content for you guys. And what we can do now is we can go, and also if you want to, you can change the videos right behind this. So if you, for example, don't like this video, you can go and change it. You can type in, let's say, I don't even know. We can go and change it like this, or you can go and change it like this. You can do whatever you want to with this kind of content. You can go and change, for example, this video if you don't like it. Let's see, let's say happy, for example. And you can find all of the videos that you're happy, for example. And again, this is free. You don't need to worry about some license or something like that. You can go and upload this video on your YouTube channel. So what you also want to do is you want to go on voice. So you can record your own voice to read the script, but you can go and click on this right here, and you can choose who to read your article. So you can go and preview your video. So in few seconds, we are going to create our video that we can go and upload on our YouTube channel, and it is a much better video than this one that has 11 million views. And you can see people love this content because you can see almost 200,000 likes. People love this content because you provide them right information. So people love to find right information for themselves, and that is really great because we're doing that, and that way making some money from AdSense. But our main focus is not going to be only AdSense, because as I said, I'm going to show you guys how you can quadruple your income with this type of channel, and how you can go and make even more money. So you can see it actually takes a few seconds to make this content. So you can see finally we have created our video, and if we go and play.
Acne is the sort of problem that can strike at any age, it seems. While we tend to associate it with teenagers, it can flare at various other points in your life. Hormones play a key role in the development of acne, as does nutrition and other factors. For example, the Great Chocolate Dilemma: does eating it cause acne? Refined sugar and the increased need for insulin that it leads to. Fresh, whole foods are implicated in the treatment of...
We have 3 minutes of content that are providing crazy information. This video is crazy informative, and people are going to love it. And you have got it for free from the website that I have shown you guys. As I said, the link will be in the description, so you can go and sign up for free. So I really suggest you guys to check that out because this website is really crazy. They provide you guys amazing articles, and you can now just go on download, and you can download this video and re-upload it on your YouTube channel. So I think that this is one of the greatest methods to start your YouTube channel, to start making some money. And also, you can't really expect to upload one video and get 11 million views. If you go and check out this channel, you can see that they really worked hard for this, and Actually, it takes 11 minutes, let's say 10 minutes of work to create a video, but you can see they're uploading new video every single day. So they give you guys, they upload every single day for the last 2 years, and as I said, it is only 10 minutes of work, but it really requires some consistent work to make this kind of money. You can't really expect to upload just one and get millions and millions of dollars. That is not going to happen. So also how you can go and monetize these kind of videos. So if you go on ClickBank, so what is ClickBank? It is affiliate marketplace. You can go and sell digital products for commission. So if you go and sign up for free, again, ClickBank is for free. So you can go and click on create new account, and you can sign up for a new ClickBank account in few seconds. But when you're done with that, you want to go on affiliate marketplace, and you want to go on health and fitness. So you can go also and choose category right here, remedies, and you're going to find so for example, when you're promoting, let's say, how to lose weight, you can go and find weight loss products on ClickBank and sell them for huge commission. So you can see diabetes right here, you can earn $31 per sale. So for everyone that buys this product from you, you can earn $31.10. So this is really crazy because you can make a lot of money just from one sale. Let's say from 1,000 views, just from AdSense, you can make $5. But from 1,000 people, if one guy buys this product, you're going to earn $31.10. That is how you're going to make 10 times more money than from AdSense. And you don't need to worry about what should I focus on AdSense or ClickBank. The main key is to focus on both and create 2 streams of income from AdSense and ClickBank, and that is how you're going to make a lot of money from YouTube, guys. So that would be it for today's video. If you want to